everyone, this is Saloni and welcome to my channel where we talk about tech, coding and technical interviews and how to crack the same. So this is an introductory video to my upcoming series which is a JavaScript coding interviews where we will be solving some of the most frequently asked JavaScript coding interview questions. Now let's talk about what and why. So what can you expect from the series? I will be covering the most frequently asked coding questions and we will be using JavaScript and new ES6 features to solve them. I will try to solve the same question with different approaches and then compare the solutions with each other. Now why should you watch this series? So most of the IT companies have this machine coding round. So if you haven't prepared for the frequently asked questions, then you might lag behind the other candidates in the race just because you didn't practice it and you were seeing the question for the first time. So why not practice it and be prepared for the upcoming machine coding round? So either you're a fresher or an experienced developer, these videos will be helpful for you and they will help you brush up your coding skills. Now the prerequisite for this series is that you should be familiar with the basics of JavaScript. Now let's quickly do the environmental setup. So for following this series, all you need is two things. First is a text editor. The editor of my preference is Visual Studio Code. You can go to this website and download the VS Code. And the second one is Node.js. So we need Node.js in order to run JavaScript in a standalone environment. Now that we are done with our environment setup, let's quickly move on to the first interview question in our next video. But before moving on, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.